What is up, creator? It is awfully good to see you. We are going to learn how to make a cartoon of yourself without drawing. We're going to use online websites that can create amazing effects like this. This is one effect of several that I'm going to show you right now with various online free websites. You can apply these graphics to your thumbnails to bring in more traffic to your videos. Let's get some! I'm willing to bet that you'll want to do a screen grab with this video, so I'm going to explain how to do that very quickly. For Windows users, all you have to do is click the following three keys: your window key, shift, and the letter S, and that will bring up the crosshairs. You can drag it across any image and it will save to cache. Mac users are the same thing. It's shift, except now you click command and the number 4. Same thing happens, crosshairs, select what you want to select, and it will save it to your computer. Now let's move on to the website that created the demonstration that you saw in my intro just seconds ago. If you go to the following website, photocartoon.net, and make sure that upload from disk is selected and choose file. And I'm going to choose, a fairly decent photo that's got good lighting. I'll hit open. And I will click Cartoonize Online, and it begins to do its calculations. Okay, so now it shows you what it's done. It defaults to showing you the first one, which is, I believe, cartoon, the cartoon effect, which is shown on the left-hand side here. There's a scrolling selection. I have found, based on my experience, that the majority of the effects really aren't that super great, except for one, which is absolutely phenomenal, because it takes all the millions of colors that are used in your photo and reduces them down into simple color, which makes it look like a really cool cartoon. So let me show you what I'm talking about. If you scroll down here on the left and you select the following selection called Cartoon Face, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down from the top. Let it do its calculation. And now you can see how super cool this is. Look how it has combined all the millions of colors into a simple color palette. And it just looks like an amazing image that you could use for your thumbnails or anything like that. So on the right hand side, you have the ability to add text, change fonts. For example, here, if I type in hello, and let's see, I'll make the background green just for fun, just to show you what power you have here. And the font size, I'll make it a little bit larger, and I'll add the text. And as you see, the text pops up at the bottom of the photo. Okay, so you have that kind of a power. And if you begin to modify the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, the hue, I just want to let you know that you have to click the apply button in order for those effects to take place. Then you can download the photo. And the photo size is around 900 by 900. So it's not a super gigantic image, but it gets the job done. Let's move on to the next website. The URL of this website is really cool. It's BeFunky.com, and you want to continue with the URL, which is /create/photo-2-cartoon. I'll put a link in the description as always. And you're presented with this interface right here. It says drop your photo or image here. So I have a photo, and I'll drop it in. And as you can see, the photo is fairly dark. A lot of color, but the lighting is a little bit hampered a little bit. So watch what happens when I click this effect. It's the Cartoonizer DLX at the top here. It'll do its calculation. And look how it brings out the colors. And it still does the color summary, but it also does this sort of line swirling technique, which is really cool. So I think it's absolutely fantastic. And if you have any dark photos that you want to sort of boost the colors, this one is perfect for that application. Now let's move on to a website that is really cool in that not only does it adjust colors, but it also does a facial analyzation sort of kind of thing where it applies the characteristics of your face to predetermined drawings. So the end result is an absolute new image altogether, as if some human being went through and completely redrew your photo. It is absolutely incredible. I can't wait to show you. Okay, the URL of the next one is TuneMe.com, link in the description. And you'll be presented with this screen here. Choose photo. And let's see, I'll just choose something here. Here we go. That looks pretty good. I want to remind you that it's best to have a photo that's like framed like this, where pretty much your entire face is in view, and try to get one with good lighting. This one isn't really that good, to be honest with you. What? Oh my gosh. This is so weird. What this thing can do. I don't really think that looks like me. Look how it made the eyeballs full size while I'm squinting in the actual photo. I'll have you know that if you don't like it, you can click the refresh button here, and it will do a recalculation. I guess they changed the parameters somehow on the second choice. What the heck, man? It looks like I got cigarette nicotine stains on my lower teeth. That is nasty. Okay, let's go to the next one here. This one's kind of got like a Disney World kind of feel to it. I don't really think it reflects my face that well. I'll hit refresh and see what it can do. Oh, God. It made me even look more different than before. Okay, let's go to the next one. This version is just crazy. Wait till you see this. What the heck? It kind of looks like me, I guess. My mouth looks a little bit different. Let me click the refresh button and see what it comes up with on the second choice. It took my glasses away. How did it do that? Look at that. I don't know. It looks like a distant cousin. It looks like my cousin Kyle. Okay, let's go to the next one here. Oh my God. All right, that's not too bad. Let me hit the refresh button and see what happens with this. Okay, here we go. Coming up. Oh, look at that. It gives you variants to choose from on this version. It looks like it's different hair colors, which is kind of cool. I think I like the dark one, so I'll just click that. Okay, that's definitely cartoonish. I don't know if the details look super great, but I'll take it. Let's go to the next one now. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, you know what? This is probably geared towards females. It almost looks like I have earrings. That is super, super weird. Let me hit refresh. What? Ew, that is nasty. Let me hit another one. Yeah, this one's definitely designed for females. So, do we get another choice? No. Okay, so once it generates the variants, then you can just click the refresh and it'll cycle through for you, and then you can save it to your hard drive. You're going to want to re-upload a couple photos just to see if you can get one that's close. But when it is close, it's like it's going to freak out your viewers if you use it in a thumbnail. It'll be really, really cool, and it will really drive some interest. People will like look at your thumbnail and go, "What the hell?" You know, they won't know what to think. So that kind of reaction is what you want, especially when people know you and see that image. If this is the first time that you've seen my videos, I want to let you know that I am on a constant quest to find all the cool software that makes your videos super cool and more engaging for your visitors. If you like what you hear, subscribe and click the bell for a new video notification every single week. And I read all my comments, so that if you have an idea that you'd like me to review for you, let me know. And if it fits the channel, I'll make a video for you and give you a shout out. Now, the next video that we're going to talk about is a plugin that can be installed into OBS Studio that allows you to switch between scenes, not sources, scenes. So it's going to be really fun, and I look forward to explaining it to you. I will see you on the next video. Regardless, stay strong, keep fighting, continue to believe in what the truth is, which is you will succeed if you don't give up. That's the key. I'll catch you on the flip side. Best wishes, stay strong.